Hi everybody, I am a nature photographer and you can call me RAF. I love traveling around to capture the amazing beauty of this world. But life brought me to the upper Midwest of the United States. And in this beautiful place, I'm gonna go for that shot that is gonna make my day. Do you know any of these places? Now you will. Come with me to explore the upper Midwest of the United States and take amazing pictures. Through the eyes of an Italian that grew up in the Caribbean with no winters whatsoever. Get ready to discover beautiful places. The local businesses that are thriving. Everybody loves this place and we are going to find out why. And I'm going to tell you where to find the best food. Delicious food. Not everything is photography. Because who wants to travel solo? You are invited. Here we are in Glendale State Park, Minnesota. Here we are in Inspiration Peak State Park, Minnesota. Welcome to Waterton, North Dakota. And you don't need to pay a ticket. You just need to subscribe. Subscribe, motherfucker! Just click on the link below. We're gonna have a lot of fun.